Okay, these are the back yoke, so you need to see the way I'm going to position it so you can be able to know what to do as well. All right, so this is the right part. It is on the surface, the right part that I put the label. So I'm going to position the back on it, and this is the right part of the back to the front, the right part. Remember, this is the right part on which I put the label. Then if you don't have a label, no problem, just position the right side, then position the back on it, let the right part also face up. Then you now take the third part of it, which is the second yoke. This is the right part. You can see this is the wrong part that I mark with the pencil. So I'm now going to face this right part on the right part of the back. So follow those the way I explained it, then you can now sew your back yoke, the 3 pieces together. That's all. So this is the final outcome. Can you see it? So this is the inner part of the back. The label is going to show. Yes, it's going to show. This is the inner part. Then this is the outer part, which is the right part. You understand? The outer part that will show outside, which is also the surface, the right surface. So all you need to do now is to top stitch again on this edge. Just watch what I do. That's it. I've done the top stitching.